Background theory. Standard access list allows you to permit or deny traffic based on the source IP addresses. The destination of the packet and the ports involved do not matter. The following are the commands to configure standard ACL. The first part is the ACL number. When you configure an access list, use a number to identify the type of access list you want to configure. Standard ACLs uses number between 1 to 99 and 1300 to 1999. The next part is the action. Either you want to permit or deny the traffic. Then we have the source address. And the last part is the wildcard mask, which I will explain later. To summarize this rule, this will permit any traffic from the source address 192.168.10.something. Extended ACLs identify traffic on source address, destination address, and protocol. This is the command to configure extended ACL. The first part is the ACL number. Extended ACLs uses number between 100 to 199 and 2000 to 2699. The next part is the action. This part is the protocol. For this example, we use TCP. Protocol could be UDP, EIGRP, OSPF, and etc. Then we have the source IP address followed by the source wildcard mask. After that, we have the destination IP address followed by the destination wildcard mask. The next part is the operator, which is used to match port numbers. EQ means equal to. The last part is the port. Here, we can use the port number itself or the keyword for common port. The example here is FTP, meaning port 21. To summarize this rule, deny all TCP traffic coming from 192.168.10.something with a destination IP address of 192.168.20.50 and a destination port number of 21. Wildcard mask. Wildcard mask is used to tell the router which IP addresses it should pay attention to, either a single IP address or a range of IP address, such as the subnets. Wildcard mask is comprised of ones and zeros. 0 means the corresponding bits in IP address must match, while 1 means do not have to match, or we can ignore. In this table, we can see the given IP address 172.16.1.0 and the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. Since the first 3 octets of wildcard mask are 0, the 3 octets of IP address must match. The last octet of wildcard mask is all 1, then we do not care, meaning it could be anything, it's simply the entire network of 172.16.1.0. Next, we can look at some of the examples of wildcard masks. The left side is like the one I explained before. 255 is all ones, so we can ignore or don't care. And since the first 3 octets are zeros, the IP address where ACL will be applied on would have to be an exact match. This is the example of ACL statement where we deny all hosts in the 192.168.1.0/24 network. The next example is wildcard mask 0.0.0.0. All zeros mean all octets should match the source IP address. For example, we have 10.10.100.1 with wildcard mask 0.0.0.0. This means the router will search only for that address and will permit only 10.10.100.1 address. Okay, next we have this ACL statement, deny 172.16.100.1 with wildcard mask 0.0.0.3. We know that zeros in the first 3 octets of wildcard mask indicate that all bit positions must match exactly. We can use the table to find the range of address. Only put the last octet in binary form. From the table, we can see only 2 last bits of the last octet of wildcard mask are ones, which means only 2 bits can be either 1 or 0. The following addresses would match. From the addresses, you can see only the last 2 bits are different from each address. So this mask would apply to hosts with addresses ranging from 172.16.1.0 to 172.16.1.3.